Gautam Rathod began indoor saffron farming in Talegoan, Pune in 2021 after he was diagnosed with kidney cancer. His doctors asked him to shut down his vehicle repairs business and take up something that did not involve much physical labor. After researching various farming options, he found saffron cultivation the best because there is a ready market for the product and there is no need for awareness generation. Gautam built a 100 square feet cold storage facility on the terrace of his house for aeroponics farming, which does not require soil. Aeroponics involves suspending the plants in the air and maintaining a moist environment for them. Apart from a cold room, the other requirements for aeroponics are a humidifier to add nutrient rich moisture to the soil, a humidifier to remove excess moisture, racks with shelves and trays with holes, and grow lights. Gautam purchased 200 kg saffron bulbs or corms from Kashmir at Rs 600 per kg. He put the bulbs in trays in August and they began flowering in October. He now sells saffron threads at Rs 500 to Rs 800 per kg directly to customers. Now Gautam is also providing training to beginners and helping them set up their own indoor saffron farms.